Hi, my name is Anush. Today we are going to see how to set up the configuration management and build environments for the project called checkbox.io. Here, as we can see, checkbox.io is a web application for hosting surveys and creating surveys. So, for setting up this, we use two virtual machines, one with Ansible loaded with inside it, which is the configuration server, and the node server in which we are going to set up the checkbox.io application. So as we can see in the Ansible server, configuration server, we created a inventory file which consists of configuration for the node that is to be created. We have also added the private key to our configuration server, which can be seen in the keys folder right here. First of all, we need to set up the node virtual machine in order to configure it, in order to create the environment to deploy the application. So that is done in using the config YAML file. As we can see, there's no folder inside the node virtual machine. So using the configuration file in the configuration server, we set up the environment in the node machine. So after running this, we can see that the configuration is taking place, and I'd like to walk you through the configuration file where we install all the dependency softwares, and like Git, npm, and other softwares, even installing MongoDB. Also, after installing the MongoDB, we create a MongoDB user with with admin privileges, and then clone the repo to the local. After cloning the repo, we we try to uh, we try to install nginx web server, and edit the nginx configuration file so that it points to the web application. And as you can see, after all this setup, we restart the nginx server. As you can see, the configuration has been done, has finished, and we can check the repo in the node virtual machine. And then run the server using the server.js file. As we can see, the server is up and running, and we can see uh, the web application. As you can see, the application has loaded, and use through UI we can create surveys like this. After filling all the options in the design, we can see that the invite code is research in caps, and you can fill all the other fields and create a survey. Then we get a survey link, that is a public link which is accessible to the participants who can answer the survey like this. And we can also see that an email is sent to the person who created the survey with the links. Now we can also verify whether the survey is created in is reflected in the MongoDB or not. We can do that by going to the Mongo shell. Under the under the DB called site, we have the collections called studies, under which all the studies, that is the surveys, are created. We can go ahead and see what's inside this. We can see that the survey has been created with all the details, with the public link, the survey name, and the token, and all the details of the survey. So by this we can assure that the survey created has been reflected in the MongoDB. So that is all for today. Thank you.